The manager of Deepika Padukone by the name of Karishma, her chats appeared with Deepika Padukone talking about drugs. Karishma is unlikely to appear before the Narcotics Bureau. Sources say her lawyer will also approach the Narcotics Bureau asking for more time to appear as she's not available to join the investigation just yet. That's the big news now coming in from Mumbai that Karishma, who's the manager of Deepika Padukone, in that chat will not be appearing today. For now, Munish Pandey is in Mumbai for all the latest. Munish, this is big because Deepika Padukone is one of the biggest A-listers, celebrities of the film industry. Her name came up via the manager, but she won't be coming anytime today or anytime soon for the Narcotics Bureau.
Yeah, well, Pooja, what I've been given to understand is that Karishma is not in Mumbai, and that is why her lawyer will be approaching the Narcotics Control Bureau asking for more time. Also, this will become crucial because she wants to strategize that whenever she will be questioned by the Narcotics Control Bureau, what answers she has to give, because there are some important questions that why she was talking about drugs. Was the drug delivered to Deepika Padukone or not? Because remember, once Karishma's questioning is over, then it will be clear whether Deepika Padukone procured drugs or not. So this is going to be very crucial. I've been given to understand is that anytime soon the lawyer will be approaching the Narcotics Control Bureau. Karishma was asked to join the investigation today. She was summoned, but she will be, joining the investigation in a few days, and that is why the lawyer has requested the NCB to for more time.
All right, big names surfacing as well now. Stay on with me, Munish, because what exactly has happened now with the emerging name of Deepika Padukone? These are top celebrities of the Hindi film industry and their names have also come up. Sources are telling India Today that actor Deepika Padukone may just be summoned by the Narcotics Bureau in the next few days. This after her name surfaced in the drug charts with her manager Karishma. In a chart accessed by India Today, Deepika Padukone sought mal or hash from Karishma. These charts date to October 2017. Karishma works for the Quant Talent Management firm and has been summoned for questioning today. These charts have emerged from the talent manager Jaya Saha's phone, who allegedly has a WhatsApp group in her phone. And there were top names of celebrities in it. We are being told that Deepika Padukone is currently in Goa for a film of director Karan Johar. Kangana Ranaut, however, has jumped in and targeted Deepika Padukone over her alleged drug link. She has taken to social media site Twitter, and the tweet that I quote here, in which Deepika is being asked by Kangana Ranaut, "Mal hai kya?" She added that so-called high society rich star children who claim to be classy and have a good upbringing are asking their manager for drugs. Mustafa Sheikh is now joining me from Mumbai. Mustafa, Kangana Ranaut expectedly these days reacting on all issues, but targeting her co-actor as well, a colleague asking mal hai kya, that these are classy people otherwise, and are asking managers for drugs. But with even a reference to Deepika Padukone, do you think this case is definitely becoming bigger with the drug angle?
Yes, of course, Pooja Sali, it's becoming bigger every day, and as the movements increase at the NCB guest house, we are seeing one more car entering, and here we are hearing that new people who are in the investigations are joining in. We'll have to verify if he is the colleague and the CEO of her Jaya company's group, or he's somebody else, but car which has entered the NCB office, will have to verify his details before commenting on. But
yes, the visual is on our screen. We can see an individual, a male there, walking into the Narcotics Bureau. So can we assume and can we say here, Mustafa, that these could be some new faces that have been summoned today?
Yes, we'll have to verify whether he is a person who has come, a person who was summoned and who has come, or somebody else. But yes, there was Dhruv, who was expected, Jaya's colleague, who was expected to come here for the investigations at the NCB guest house, as his name has propped up in the drug case. We are showing you live visuals outside the NCB guest house with Mumbai police officials here, and we'll see.
Okay, so he could be an official as well of the NCB. So Mustafa, tell us this. Who was going to be summoned today? What were the names expected to be coming to the Narcotics Bureau today?
Yes, as far as Jaya Saha is concerned, from her company, two colleagues. One is Karishma Prakash, who is the manager of Deepika Padukone, and CEO of Swan, which is Dhruv. These two were expected to join in for the investigations, and the basic investigation and inquiry entirely was around the companies dealing with celebrities and supplying of drugs and the chats which were coming forward. So regarding this, all the three people from the Swan were called for questioning, and we are seeing here some movement, and we saw this person entering. We'll have to verify the credentials given his visuals. We have to verify whether he is Dhruv or not. But yes, as we were saying,
Mustafa, I'll give you that time. I'll give you that breather so you can confirm if that was an official, if that was some new individual who has been summoned. Because the building that you see on your screens right now is the building where there's heightened activity today. A lot of new managers, actors. There will be new people who are likely to be summoned. And Mustafa Sheikh will be getting us all the latest on that.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.